In a busy city like Bangalore, the hectic work schedules might get the best of you but make life monotonous. You can plan so many trips around Bangalore. From palaces to forts, natural rock formations to hills, lakes to waterfalls, there's almost everything around Bangalore to satisfy the traveler in you. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Movie Learning. Here is a total guide on place to visit one-day picnic near Bangalore. So shall we begin? 1. Chikballapura. This closest picnic spot near Bangalore is a place surrounded by 5 hills and is famous for trekking, hiking and exploring the natural beauty. This place is also known for the silk and incense industry. You can try rock climbing and also visit the temples nearby. It's famous for sightseeing and rock climbing. 2. Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills or Nandi Durg is a popular weekend getaway near Bangalore. This ancient hill fortress is famous for trekking. This place derives its name from the stunning statue of Nandi, the bull, at the doorstep of Yoganandeshwara temple. You can view the beautiful sunrise from the hilltop and also visit other places like Madanahalli and the Marita Sarovar. This place is famous for hills, trekking, sunrise. 3. Barmori and Edmari waterfalls. These beautiful falls are formed due to construction of check dam across Kaveri River to control the water flow and are surrounded by lush greenery, making it an ideal picnic spot. You can play around in the water and take a walk along the green fields. This place is famous for waterfalls, greenery. 4. Horsley Hills. This quaint hill station has unspoiled beauty and beautiful panoramic views of the hill ranges in Eastern Ghats. This area is rich in flora and fauna and ideal for a quick weekend getaway. You can visit the various viewpoints to enjoy the beautiful scenery and also see the world's biggest banyan tree, which is located near Horsley Hills and spread over 8 acres. This place is famous for hills and dense forests. 5. Hassan. An ideal weekend picnic spot near Bangalore for the history and cultural buffs. The city derives its name from its presiding deity goddess Hassanamba. This place has many monuments and ancient structures, and is often referred as the temple architecture capital of Karnataka. Some of the must-visit places are Ramanthar Temple, Gorudam, Hoysal temples and Shettihalli Church. The Shettihalli Church is unique because it is submerged in water during monsoons and emerges back after the monsoons. This place is famous for mystery of temples and monuments. 6. Hogenakkal Falls. Hogenakkal Falls has to be on your list of places to see in a day around Bangalore. Hogenakkal is a small village in Tamil Nadu where the river Kaveri splits into multiple streams, creating beautiful waterfalls. This place is sometimes called as Niagara of the East. You can enjoy the coracle ride from one end of the boat to another, and also visit the nearby Melagiri Hills. Many famous movies like Roja and Ravan have been shot here. 7. Kabini. This area is abundant in wildlife and has a rich variety of flora and fauna. Once a private hunting area for British, this place attracts tourists from all over the country. You can go for a jungle safari or an elephant safari. You can also go for boating and visit the Kabini Dam nearby. This place is famous for wildlife sanctuary. 8. Janpad Loka/Folk Art Museum. Numerous collections of masks, artifacts, costumes, collection of folk music and videos of folk dances are exhibited in the museum. Spread over 15 acres, the artifacts in the museum are kept in 3 buildings, namely Lokamahal, Lokamatha Mandira, and Chitrakutira. In Lokamahal the visitors can find interesting folk puppets, utensils, instruments, weapons and masks. In Lokamatha Mandira a wide variety of baskets, utensils and earthen jars are featured which were used to store and grain pickles. In the Chitrakutira a number of photographs covering different aspects of folk life is displayed. The other attraction of the museum is a huge elegantly carved temple chariot. The museum also has an amazing amphitheater. There is a lake at the rear end of the museum with boating facility. Today we are completed 100 videos. Thank you for your support. If you want more videos, subscribe this channel and don't forget to like and comment. We are waiting for the comments and subscription.